Welcome back, J Speed Density. Today we're going to be replacing this shift fork position sensor on a PDK transmission. Here it is mounted in the transmission. It is a Hall effect sensor and it measures the magnet on each one of these shift forks. This one marked with the yellow X is the one that has failed. Here you can see it in the scan tool. The max readings are -9 millimeter and +9 millimeter. This one is out of range at +13 millimeter. I'm going to shift this for you. Here's the one that's failed. There's going to be no movement on the scan tool. So here we have the sensor removed, and what you're going to do is we're going to inspect these magnets for any plastic of cracking. Let's go to the bench and replace the sensors. Here are the sensors laid out on the bench. Here's the distance sensor that has failed. Here's the new one. We're replacing this speed sensor as preventative maintenance. So let's go ahead and do that now. So now we have the new sensors wired up. All of the shift forks are in the neutral position. And the scan tool is reading 0 for all of the positions now. Let's go ahead and shift it. Here's the 1-3 that's fixed now. So that concludes our test. We double checked everything. We can put the case back on and put it back in the car. J Speed Density, thanks for watching.